for me? Thank you, Edgar. You remembered. It's Valentine's Day. I'm missing my boyfriend so much. For those out there who don't have any contact, please ring them or text them to tell them you love them. From Ffion, I have done a Valentine's poem for all of you. Thank you for giving your love to me and sharing in my life. Thank you for supporting each other and giving us all such strength. Thank you for sticking to the rules and sending the virus away. Thank you for helping me laugh and for laughing along with me. Thank you for being just who you are and for helping me to be me. Roses are red, violets are blue. I love dressing up. You should try it too. And for now, I'm going to eat my chocolates, and also you can cut in and have a drink. Love you all.